In this video, I will show you how to backup registry editor before editing in Windows 11. Also, this method will work in Windows 10. So, open regedit, click on registry editor, click on file, then export, select all, select the folder where you want to save it. Desktop or any another folder, then save it. Give any name. Wait for a few seconds till this process will be complete, and once it is complete, click on file and import. So this is the way you can backup and save registry editor, and it's a good practice. You want to make any editing or you want to make changes in registry editor, so it's useful. Save and backup. So once you need, you can import it by clicking file and import. So thanks for watching.